Hello everyone, I am Vidya. Welcome back to my channel Vidya Ka Gyan. As you like our previous video, so we thought of making second part of it. Hope you also like this video. So now let's begin. Arnala Fort. The Arnala Fort is the super specimens of island fort. The fort is located on the port town of Arnala, which is about 8 km away from Vasai in Maharashtra, India. This fort, which is also known as Jal Durga, is a great place for sightseeing and is a major tourist attraction in Maharashtra. The fort was built in the year 1516 by Sultan Muhammad Begum, who was a local chief from Gujarat. The fort has a strategic placement where it has been constructed on the mouth of the river Vaitarna. The Portuguese gained control over the fort in the year 1530. On March 1737, the Maratha attacked Portuguese and took control over the fort. Daulatabad Fort. Daulatabad Fort, which is also known as Devgiri Fort, it is said that battles that were fought in this fort were always won. The fort stands on the conical hills and the lower slope of the hills had been cut for the purpose of more defense. The way to reach the top of the fort is very challenging as one has to pass through a narrow bridge which can hold only two persons at a time. While going toward the summit, you will notice huge cannons at almost every interval of the slope. In the middle of the way there is also cave which had been made to puzzle the enemies when they came to attack. Another special characteristic of the place is that it is believed that Lord Shiva had stayed on the hills around this region and thus this place had got its name Devgiri, which means hills of God. So the place also has mythological connection. The beautiful architecture used in the construction of the fort makes it one of the best places to visit in Daulatabad. This triangular fort of Devgiri was built in the year 1187 by King Bilan, who was the first king of Yadav during the Talak dynasty. Muhammad bin Talak was very much impressed by the fort and he shifted his capital from Delhi to Daulatabad and named it the City of Fortune. Since then, it has adorned the heritage of our country. Lohagarh Fort. The Lohagarh Fort is an iron fort and one among the many hill forts in the state of Maharashtra. It is situated near Lonavala at the distance of about 52 kilometers to the northwest of the city of Pune and a major tourist attraction of Maharashtra tourism. Lohagarh is raised 1033 meters above sea level. The fort has a connection with the adjacent Visapur fort by the Minute Range. This fort was under the rule of the Maratha ruler for maximum period and only for 5 years under the Mughal Empire. The fort belongs to the Western Ghat. The mountain divides basins of Pavana and Indrayani rivers and the Lohagarh fort overlooks Pavana Reservoir situated south of the mountain range. Ratangad Fort. This fort is one of the famous tourist attraction of Maharashtra. This is a part of heritage of Ratanwadi in Maharashtra. The fort is situated in the Western Ghats and is believed to be 2000 years old. There are four gates of the fort, namely Ganesh, Hanuman, Trambak and Konkan. It also has a natural rock cavity through which the sky can be seen. It is called Nedhe or Eye of Needle. From the fort, the river Pravra or Amrut Vahini has originated. The 2000-year-old Ratangad Fort has a history of its own, which make it one of the must-visit places in Maharashtra tour. It is said that fort was captured by Chhatrapati Shivaji Raje Bhosle, the famous Maratha king. Torna Fort. The Torna Fort is situated in the southwest of Pune district of the western part of Maharashtra state. It is a major tourist attraction of Maharashtra tourism. This was the first fort to be captured by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in the year 1643 when he was just 16-year-old, and this formed the nucleus of Maratha Empire. This fort is perched at the height of 1,403 meters above the sea level. Torna Fort was captured by the Mughals in the 18th century after assassinating the great Maratha warrior Chhatrapati Shivaji's son Sambhaji Maharaj. This Torna Fort is an architectural marvel with a host of towers and monuments built inside the fort. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, do share, do comment, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video update. You can also follow me on Instagram. Till then, bye friends, see you in the next video.